navigating tight spots, understanding backed into a corner. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that pops up in both casual conversations and formal discussions: backed into a corner. This idiom is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only grasp its essence but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. So, let's explore together. When we say someone is backed into a corner, we're painting a picture with words. Imagine being in a room and slowly being pushed into a corner, where you have no way to escape. This phrase metaphorically describes a situation where a person feels trapped or without any good options. It's not about physical space but about being in a challenging position where choices seem limited or non-existent. The phrase, backed into a corner, likely comes from the literal idea of an animal or a person being cornered, unable to escape their predator or opponent. Over time, it's been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where one feels pressured or forced to make a decision, often under less than ideal circumstances. Let's bring the idiom to life with some examples. 1. Negotiation scenario. During the negotiation, I felt backed into a corner and had to agree to terms that were not entirely favorable. 2. Workplace situation. The deadline was approaching fast, and with all the other projects I was backed into a corner and had to work overtime. 3. Social context. He kept asking me why I didn't attend the party, and I felt backed into a corner, forced to reveal I wasn't invited. These examples show how backed into a corner can apply to various scenarios, emphasizing feelings of constraint and pressure. Understanding when and how to use backed into a corner can enrich your English communication. Describe feelings. Use it when you want to express feeling trapped or pressured in a situation. Narrate experiences. It's great for storytelling, adding drama and tension to narratives about difficult situations. In persuasion, highlighting a situation where you felt cornered can evoke empathy or support in persuasive speech or writing. And that's a wrap on backed into a corner. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture and thought, and idioms like this one add color and depth to our expressions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.